Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards, guys. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So that may answer any doubts or questions you have in your mind, guys, Gemini. So I'll be picking one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys, Gemini. So let's start with the general energy, guys. We have Two of Pentacles in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, and Knight of Swords in reverse. Gemini, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. Maybe someone is really envious of you because of the way you are, because of your characteristics, your skills, talents, and maybe your position in life. They are quite envious of you. They are considering you as their rival and they are working against you, guys. You need to be really careful if you know someone like that, or if you have some doubts on someone. You need to be really careful with that person, guys. So they don't have that true intentions or positive intentions towards you, and they may make your situation troublesome, guys. So, and also for some of you, some important communication is reaching you today, guys, Gemini. So it may be a written form of communication, email, letters, some important letters, or some important things are reaching you today. Something which is uh, maybe changing the way things are uh, going. So maybe they are sending some messages that may change the way things are between you both today, guys. So, or it may be something in your career, maybe some information about some projects or some financial deals, whatever it is, whatever you need to do, some kind of information is reaching you today, guys, Gemini. And I also see that in your situation, maybe you may see how things are going today, maybe on certain things without you making the effort. You may see a movement towards something, or some kind of coincidences, or simply your circumstances is unfolding as it should without you putting in any effort. So maybe destiny is playing its part. Certain things are happening as it should. Certain things are happening without maybe beyond your expectation, something unexpected. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. Let's see what's a card for your relationship. So we have Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your relationship, you may feel that you cannot trust this person, or they may feel that they cannot trust you. Something has come, maybe some messages, maybe the reason, maybe your message or their message, or someone is sending them something, maybe some information about you or about them, that is causing the trouble in this relationship, I feel, guys. So that may break the trust you both have, or that becomes the reason for some kind of a separation in this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Gemini, we have Death. So with this card, you are seeing some changes in your career situation, guys. Maybe you are moving to a different place or changing your job. Something has come up, something drastic. But for some of you, it may be something you are planning and doing. But for some of you, it may be uh, without your will or wish. But it is simply happening. But you need to understand that these changes are necessary to take you towards greater potential in life, guys, towards your dreams, goals, and aspirations. That is the reason for these changes in your life today, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading, Gemini. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today's pick a card. We have two cards here, and it is from the Fairy Tale Oracle. So these cards may clarify your situation, give you some answers. So you need to close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can either meditate thinking of these crystals or with the cards, and then you can choose the card which comes to you first as you open your eyes. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card here. We will see what it is. It is Wounds, Verde Prato. That is the card for you all. It just means that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone from the people close to you. So you have kept some secrets from them, and they are trying to punish you or hurt you because you are holding something secretly close to your heart and you are not willing to reveal that. And maybe today the worst things have happened in your situation because you have held the secret for so long, and something has happened because of that. But today you can reveal your true feelings for this person and you can speak your mind. So that way you will not put your love or put your feelings to more danger. So there are people in your situation who are trying to control you, guys. They are here as your friend or a family member, but they are trying to control you, dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. Because they are really irritated because you have not revealed what is there in your heart to them. So they feel really bad and they want to do something against you. They want to punish you or hurt you in return. But if you want your love to grow or flourish, you have to come out with your true feelings. You have to reveal what you feel about that person in truth, guys. So that way you will be true to your heart, and you need courage in your heart to do that, guys. That is what I see. So you need to face your fears. Maybe you are afraid that this person, maybe your friend or a family member, they may not have that acceptance for this love. But whatever it is, we have to face our fears. Whatever fears we have to face. We have to have that courage in your heart. in our hearts to stand up for what we believe in and stand up for what we love. So, or for some of you, you are having a secret affair with someone and you are hiding it, maybe. So, you need to bring it out, guys. That is the energy with this card. Tell the truth today. That is the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, the first card, let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this crystal and this card, it says fairy ointment, the sight. So the energy with this card is that maybe for some of you, you have some rare gifts. Maybe you have a great intuition guiding you every step of the way. And today, maybe in your circumstance, you are seeing some things and it is truthful to you. You know what will happen, or you know in that circumstance how things are going to go, or you have an idea how things will go, or it will take course. But you need to keep this gift silently, guys, because you should not reveal what you truly feel without people asking you, because it is best that way to give our suggestions only when someone is asking for it, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to what to say, if you speak without that person asking you what it is, or they may not trust you, they may even feel what to say, irritated, because they may feel that you are saying things because you are jealous or envious towards them. That is the reason you are speaking few things, and they may not even trust your intuition. So if you are someone with some rare gifts, maybe intuition is something I am giving as an example, maybe you know, or for some of us, we may have a feeling that something bad, when something bad is about to happen, we may have some kind of a premonition. So when we have that, those kind of gifts, it is best that we keep it to ourselves instead of revealing it. We can suggest some things to help that person to avoid that circumstance, but we should not come out with the truth that we see things in such a way, or we fear that so and so may take place, and we should not tell our we should not talk openly about our gifts, guys. Maybe this may be your circumstance today, guys, so you need to be silent. If you have some intuition telling you some certain things, you need to be silent. And if it is with someone really close to you, you can just help them avoid that situation, guys, so that way it is not going to affect that person nor you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, guys, thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this video if this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.